Yeah, hopefully we can get something. Alright, so Anika caught her first fish.
My arm's sore.
You happy?
No, it's pufferfish.
Hey, fish is a fish, but this thing's fucking huge.
I wasn't even on my rod, it's fucking heavy.
Alright, so here's a pufferfish. What was your comment?
Well, you look pretty puffed out, bro.
Loser. Well done, Tony. Fucking nice Australian salmon by this lad.
Yeah, not
How do
bad,
you
not
feel
bad.
your first fucking fish?
Finally got something.
I know, it's been a few hours, but good shit. Fucking snappers on. Fucking good size.
Yeah.
On a sabiki rig.
Told you to catch him on the speaking.
Fucking oath.
It's a Trevally. It's another Trevally.
Bro, I'm not getting this up.
Yeah, you will. Well, those salmon.
Oh, Trevell. No, no, no.
Keep him out, keep him out. Button up your drag a little bit.
Yeah.
Bring him quick.
Watch out.
Straight up.
Fucking on the little rod.
Nearly went in the water too, and I just caught it.
Fuck yeah. Good size. There you go. Nice, good trevally. We got it on the pink rod. There we go, boys. Go, double hook up. Double hook up, lad.
Oh, is it both?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're both on. No, no.
We're fucking both on.
No. Oh, fuck.
Dude, what the fuck? Who smashed me in the face?
Fuck.
Why is mine around there now?
What the fuck? Boys, Trevally, quick. Tighten your drag. Oh, yes. Go, lift. Yes, cunt.
No fucking way.
Bro, what did I tell you?
Oh, it's tangled. No, it's tangled.
Wait.
Yes, David. I would say we done pretty well for tonight. Pretty fucking well. Last but not least, a good flatty. There you go. A snapper, trevally, salmon, flatty. We did well.